Hello! Today I am going to be doing an Alice in Wonderland craft for my room, and I got these white roses from the dollar store, and you just need this and some red paint, and yeah, then you'll have some painting the roses red. Okay, so I really liked how the drippy drips looked, but then I decided I needed some that were like not just dripped. So I started painting this one, and I wanted to make it look like it's not finished, so I wanted it to look sloppy too, but I don't know if I'm gonna go back in and polish that up a little bit. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do a few more like that so that these ones really stand out, because I love this so much. But yeah. So this is what they look like so far.
Not pink, not green,
not aquamarine.
painting the roses red,
Painting the roses red.
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 painting the roses red, painting the roses red, painting the roses red,
Painting the roses red.
painting the roses red, painting the roses red, painting the roses red, not pink, not green,
Not aquamarine.